When it comes to land clearing and property maintenance, a grapple is one of the most useful attachments you can put on your tractor. This is the Homestead Implements Pinnacle Series Root Grapple, American-made and built for real homestead work. The Pinnacle Series is available in 55, 60, 66, and 72-inch widths, so you can properly match the grapple to your tractor's size and lift capacity. Depending on the model, weight ranges from just over 300 pounds up to 366 pounds, balancing strength with usable lift. A 39-inch maximum jaw opening gives you the reach needed for bulky material. The teeth are built from 5/16-inch AR-450 steel, offering excellent wear resistance in hard ground and abrasive conditions. Hydraulics are powered by dual 2-inch cylinders rated up to 3,000 psi, with universal skid-steer quick attach for easy hookup. It's also available in 6 color options, so you can match your tractor or your setup. Built to work hard. Built to last. Built right here in the USA.